This is exam 3, page 2, section 1, and this is problem number 2. And the question is asking if f of x equals 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1, find the absolute maximum and minimum of f of x on the interval of 0 to 2. So what we're going to do first is find the derivative of f of x. So f prime of x is going to be 6x squared minus 6x. And then you're going to set this equal to 0 because we want to find the critical values. You're going to factor out a 6x. You're going to be left with x minus 1. So, and then you're going to set that equal to 0. So we already know that there's an x equals 0 and then an x equals positive 1. And then next we're going to do the sign chart with our values. So you don't have to do this, but I guess you can. So here's our chart. This is f prime of x, and then our values are 0, 1. So I'm going to do, say, f of negative 1, f of 0.5, and then f of 2. Now, when you get these values, you're going to get either positive or negative. So f of negative 1 ends up being positive, and then f of 0.5 ends up equal to negative, and then f of 2 ends up being positive. So we're going to have a positive, a negative, and then a positive. So the graph is going to go this way, and then this way again. So we already know that this is going to be, at x equals 1, it's going to be a minimum because it's coming to a minimum, and then at 0, it should be a maximum. And then we're going to find the y value of it. So we have 0, 1, and 2, but we're just going to do 1 and 2. So, So we're going to do x, you can make a little chart, and then you're going to do of f of x, and you're going to plug in the x value into the equation, and it's going to be into the original equation of f of x. So we're going to plug in 0, 1, and 2, and then when you plug in these values, for 0 you get 1, and then when you plug in 1, you get 0, and then if you plug in 2, you get 5. So at 0, like we said, it's going to be a maximum. So there's going to be, at 1, 0, it will be a maximum because this is an, so at, minimum, I'm getting confused. This is going to be our absolute max right here, and then this is going to be our absolute min, 1, 0, I was getting confused. So abs max is at, it's going to be at 2, 5, and then abs min is going to be at 1, 0. And this is shown on the graph and then calculated as well.